Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Claire again with Destined Creativity. So today I'll be showing you how I made this wall decor. It's very easy and it looks nice. Yeah, so just keep watching. Thank you. So I mixed two colors, that's blue and green, which I used to paint onto the canvas. This is old canvas from another project that I had to do but failed, so I reused them. Painted it all with this mixture of blue and green, and then I first let it dry for some time. After that I drew a moon shape onto the canvas. You really don't have to be perfect, you just have to mimic the moon. And then I used Podge so I could put glitter onto it. After applying the glitter, I let it dry for like 10 minutes, and then I applied crushed glass using Mod Podge again as a second layer to give it a more interesting look. So after the layer, I let it dry for like 30 minutes, and then I applied a second layer. But I didn't like the definite look of the moon, so I decided to scatter the pieces a bit outside what I had drawn. And it looked much better, I guess. Here I would join two diamond shaped glass together with the string, and then I would put 5 glass beads onto the string. I honestly didn't measure the length of the string, I just approximated long enough for each. And all together I made 41 strings. I then attached the strings using a hot glue gun onto a wood. I got this wood from Lowe's and it's 25 inches long. Painted it black, and then I just attached the strings. I approximated the distance in between the strings. So using a hot glue gun, I glued the canvas onto the board. And this is the final product. I loved it. I ended up adding stars and as well as paper flowers. I made these paper flowers some time back, but I thought I would add them because I didn't like the gap so much. And this is the final look. I love it. I think it looks so good for your room or your baby nursery, anything. Thank you so much. If you love this, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe as well as turn on that notification bell for more videos. Thank you so much and see you next time. Bye.